Hola, I'm Darkis and welcome to my studio. So I just wanted to do a really quick video on the year in review and show some of the paintings that I was able to complete on 2018 and also show unfinished pieces and finally talk about plans for this year. So I started off the year by completing a super simple peacock feather. I was feeling uncreative and I really just was trying to get warmed up. After that, I painted a peacock and a koi fish on shimmery waters. Then I moved on to the sea dragon, which I think is an amazing little creature. After that, I painted the golden pavilion from pictures that I took on my trip to Japan. Then I did a rose garden from Istanbul, and this was a play on complementary colors. I also did a wedding bouquet for a family member. And then after that, I painted a gorgeous blind cat. I was also inspired by Mount Fuji, so I did this little piece. And on my art, you'll see that I do get a lot of inspiration from Japan. For this piece, I went back to experiment on complementary colors and also experimenting some more with iridescent white. Then I was very blessed and lucky to land 2 commissions with an arts supplies company. It was an aquarium and a mermaid, and I must say that I really loved painting the aquarium. Before the commission, I would have never even thought about painting an aquarium, but I'm glad that I accepted the commission to paint something that I hadn't even thought of before. And that was out of my comfort zone. Then I painted a flamingo because I'm from Florida and here we have lots of flamingos. And I wanted it to be slightly different, so I added a ton of roses and flowers to it. Here I went back to playing with the complementary colors of yellow and purple. Then I wanted to create a night scene with a water and a boat, and it sort of evolved into a ferry. I did another commission and this one took me about 12 hours to make, and it was mainly because I wanted the client to love the painting, so I took my time with it. And through this commission I found a new love, the purple spotted swallowtail. Here are a few drawings with colored pencils. And more paintings. I did this tiny one as a surprise gift for my last giveaway, and it was inspired by a bigger piece. Then I jumped in the spirit of Halloween. I did a witch, a crow, and a pumpkin. And I used Pantone's Intrigue palette. Then I did a semi-abstract for an open house. And finally, I did the story of the Nutcracker on a Christmas bowl. And here are some unfinished pieces and works in progress. I'm also planning a new collection for this year, so stay tuned for that. And make sure to join my email list to get the first tips. I'm also going to be participating at the Universities of Miami Art Festival, so if you're in town, I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching! And if you like this video, don't forget to like, sub, and share. If you'd like to be notified every time I post a video, make sure to hit the bell.